and today is the 9th of August 2011. This is day 16 of Project 366, and today's project, we have two projects. The first project is to go on Vacation Park 4, and the second project is to visit a tourist attraction in Nevada. And that tourist attraction is Lake Mead and maybe Hoover Dam. So right now I'm at Lake Mead, and we're probably going to go to Hoover Dam or go back to Lake Las Vegas. So I'll get back to you if we do get to the Hoover Dam, and I'm wishing you a very great August 9th. It's beautiful. Yep. I will be turning 13 exactly 1 month from today. Just a little tip. Hello everyone. So right now we are at the Hoover Dam, and I look really stupid right now because I'm like in the public, but I'm gonna show you this. It's the Hoover Dam. It's right here. Do not want to fall down there. So everyone, that concludes a really great day, and I'll see you later. 350 days to go. Bye-bye.